a blog for free and earn money with it. Hi guys, what's going on? Too Bless here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can create a blog, something that is going to look like this, 100% for free. This is free. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to do anything with this, guys. This is what we're going to be doing. This is what our website is going to be looking similar to. Who told you your blog cannot look professional? Your blog can look professional like a website, and that's actually gonna let Google. Sorry, I have a call. So guys, sorry about that. I just got a call right now, and I just have to quickly attend to that. So yeah, I'm back. So like I was saying, the platform we're gonna be using to build this blog is called Builder. Or I'm gonna put the link below this video that you're watching right now, so you can go sign up with Builder or and start creating websites, start creating mobile app. With Builder or you can create a mobile app for business owner who will have a mobile app already. Mm. Yeah guys, I'm back. So here's Builder or this is what you can do with Builder or and all that. So guys, here's what you can do with Builder or you can create a mobile app with Builder or you can create a magazine with Builder or which this one alone can start making you tons of money online. Creating magazine, I can show you a website where you can get an articles that you can start using to create different magazine in different niches. You can create a magazine on weight loss, you can create a magazine on gym and fitness, you can create a magazine for dog, you can create a magazine for dating, on financial, on any kind of magazine you can start creating. You can create a mobile app. You can go to Facebook and talk to business owner that you can create an app for them. Or in your local environment, you have a coffee shop, you have a gym, you can just create an app for them and go show them the app and let them know it is the app you created for them. And if they like it, they pay you. The app that you can create with this website can charge from 1,000 to about 5,000 to this app. These are awesome. These are cool. This platform, this website. These are all the things that you can do with Builder All right now. So you can just sign up with Builder right now. Start creating all kinds of things with Builder All, and you will not regret using Builder All. This is 100% free. The only time you gotta pay for Builder All is when you want to start using features like this, like creating an app or building an unlimited magazine. That's when you need to start paying. But for you to create a landing page, create a website, create an email autoresponder, you can use it for free. All this one here are for free that you can use. So guys, why we're here is to create a free blog and earn money with it. So from here, when you sign up with the link that I'm going to put below, it's going to take you to inside your dashboard, and you're going to see all those things. And if my video is not really details, when you sign up with Builder or there are trainings that is going to they are going to show you step by step how you can use Builder or to do all kinds of things. So you don't have to worry yourself about, hey, maybe I don't really talk too much too details. I might not really go into details about Builder or because my internet is slow, and so some things will not be able to load, and which is why we might not be able to go into so much detail. So when you are here, all you just need to do is click new Builder cheating drag and drop website. Click here, click this enter button right now. This enter button is going to bring us here right now, and when you get here, you're not going to see all this one because these are all the website that I have created. So you're not going to see all these ones. You're going to see create a new website. When you click this create a new website, and it's going to take us to this place, and when you get to this place, it's going to show you all the all the all the all the template that we have already. But you just come to this site express, and this site express is where you're going to see all kinds of website and blog that you can create, guys. Look at all these things that have been made available for you, and all you just need to do is to click. If you want to check out all these things, just click on preview to preview the template before you start editing it. And when you click preview, this is what some of the website look like. And you just need to, once you click preview, if you want to start editing this, you just click on the one you want to edit. So the one we're going to be using is the one that is called the ice cream. The ice cream template is what we're going to be using to create our blog today. So you just come here. If you want to preview, you click preview, see what it looks like. When you want to edit it, just click on it like this. The blue bar will show around it, and you can click save when you click save, let's click preview. Let's preview it first. This is what the preview look like. This is what the website is going to look like. If you actually save it, you see the save will come with how we can edit it. You just copy this, click on this picture, edit, like something like this is what I'm talking about. This is an edit. This is a photographer. You can see right now. If I click on this right now, if I click on this right now, you see, it can allow me to edit it just like that. You see, I've edited, and it's so simple, guys. You can just edit, things one by one. You can change the color, you can change this picture that is here right now, you can put your logo here, your home, about, services, contact. You can create professional blog with these things, with this builder, or you can, yeah, training that is going to take you step by step how you can do this. So you don't have to worry yourself that I'm not taking you too deep and into all this, because I don't want this video to be too long. But I tell you guys, with builder or you can never go wrong, man, guys. You cannot go wrong with builder or these are this is the kind of perfect blog that you can create right now. Feature A, these are what your blog feature is going to be about. This is the, if you have any service that you offer with your blog, or you can also partner with some people, that render, maybe if you're a blogger, if blogging is the only thing you do, you can partner with guys that do website design, create a mobile app, and just put the services that you offer here. You can just put website design here, landing pages here, you can put a mobile app design here, or email autoresponder, things like that. Then these are main services, all kinds of things you can put here, describe about you, what is about you here. Here you can see our awesome work and all that. So these are the statistics of people that go into your website. This is what your clients are saying. Maybe if you have a service that you also render with your blog, this is what, or this can also be title of the blogs that you have created in the past and all that. Who is going to help your customer, guys? So many things. This is the email, the contact email list that you can use right here. This is your contact, this is your menu. You can link your social media here. There are training that is going to take you step by step how to use builder, or is inside builder or already. So once you get here, they're going to show you the training, and you're going to sign up and start using builder all right now. So guys, if you're new to my website, you can just click, if you're new to my channel right now, click the link below right now, subscribe below this video right now, click the bell notification beside it to be notified anytime I release a new video like that. And also comment down below, let me know what you think about this video, what you want me to do right next time about this video, and what you want me to do a video on next. And let's get this video to 10,000 likes right now. I want you to help me. Without you, I can't get this video to 10,000 likes. So with your like, it's going to make this video go to 10,000 likes. So click the like button right now and like this video to get to help this video reach its goal right now. And guys, ask me any question. I also want you partner. I'm going to give you my WhatsApp number. I'm going to give you my Facebook page, my Facebook name, just to connect with me, and let's connect together. Let's do things together. Let's make money together, so you can ask me any question that you need, that you want to ask me. Yeah, so this is how you can create your own blog for free like that. So you can see these are services you can change, or you can add a blog page on this place like that. So guys, like I said, I don't want this video. If I need to start creating the blog on here right now, it's going to take so much time because my internet is not very good like that. So that's why I'm not going to be going into details. But guys, I'll see you. I really appreciate you checking out this video right now, and I'm not taking it for granted. And I'll see you next time till I come your way. I still remain your boy, to the BLE Don't forget to get builder all for you to start creating all those things. You can get the link below this video right now. Click the link below right now to go and sign up with builder, or start using builder all right now. And you can also start creating website for local businesses. You can start creating website for local businesses on Facebook. You are on Facebook. What are you doing with all those groups that you're joining on Facebook? You can reach out to all those people that want to start their own business. Let them know that you can create a website for them. Copy the link to all this blog that we have here, and go share with them that you can create a website like this for them. for photographer, for dentist,